Welcome back. So I have a problem. I've acquired enough ink at this point that it's all just in a pile and I can't ever find what I'm looking for. So today you're going to come along while I design and manufacture a solution to resolve this.
We'll start by opening up Tinkercad, which is a free web-based 3D modeling program, plenty powerful enough for a basic project like this. I've already got the dimensions for the bottles I'll be using with a set of cheap calipers I picked up on Amazon. These are listed in the upper right of the screen and already have a bit of tolerance added in. Depending on your printer, you may need to adjust these numbers slightly to get your desired fitment. For this project, we will just need the cube and hole primitives to achieve this design. Doing a bit of quick math, I get the rough dimensions of the plate and use the cube tool to add this to the build plate. From here on, I'll be using the cube hole tool to add each of the cutouts for each bottle. Once one of these is placed, you can select and use the keyboard shortcuts to cut and paste. Once the holes are laid out how I want them, I select all the holes and raise them by 1 millimeter. This way the cutouts do not go completely through the plate. Once I'm happy with the placement, I select everything and click the group button. This will combine the holes and cubes and give us a good idea of the finished design. I printed this out on my Voxel LabAquila, which is an Ender 3 style 3D printer. Each plate took about 3.5 hours to complete. Since these plates take up a good portion of the build plate, I would recommend using glue stick to save some headaches of the corners coming up, causing warping or failed prints. With this off the build plate, we have the finished design. This one holds 3 of the Diamine 80 milliliter bottles, 6 of the 30 milliliter bottles from Diamine, and 4 of the 3-ounce Noodlers bottles. We'll add these inks to the plate and take a spin to look at the finished result. As I teased at the start of the video, there's a couple different designs I've made. One which is all 30 milliliter Diamine bottles, and another which is just the 80 milliliter bottles. I'll have a link in the description to these designs if you want to print these for yourself.